Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Marshall Acton III Bluetooth speaker and you are trying to pair it with your phone, your tablet, your iPhone, your Android, PC, etc. Any kind of audio source that you want to do via Bluetooth. Now, if this has already been paired with in the past, it will automatically try to pair. But if you're trying to get something set up for the first time, or if it's already paired and you want to switch it to something else, so we want to manually put it in discovery mode so that we can then select it, we can go ahead and do that. So we want to have our phone or whatever at the ready. And with this turned on, what we're going to do is, you see the Bluetooth light right here. So what we're going to do is, this is the source button, and if we press this source button, it'll toggle between the aux and the Bluetooth. So we just need to toggle it and make sure that the light is on Bluetooth. Once the light is on Bluetooth, then you're going to press and hold that source button until the Bluetooth light pulses red. Once it pulses red, then you can go to your phone or whatever and find the Acton III from the list of available devices, and it should automatically pair from there. If it doesn't work, I recommend you then trying, and you've tried different things, you can try a factory reset to then clear everything out, so then you can pair it like a new device. But anyways, if this worked for you, if you could leave me a like, I would really appreciate it. Thanks a lot.